going on, guys? Welcome, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing the 2019 C-HR XLE. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we're in the interior of the 2019 C-HR. We will be doing a 2020 review as they have done a facelift on the new C-HR, but I figured I'd do a review on this one. As you can see, the interior is very unique, very different from the rest of the lineup. It is equipped with a 2.0 4-cylinder engine, so it's pretty good on gas. It's just enough to get you going. As you can see, the steering is very different. It feels really nice. It's got like this piano black all over here in this area as well here. You have Apple CarPlay built in with Bluetooth, and obviously navigation as an option with our limited trims. A nice thing I do like about the interior is that it's very open concept. Again, Toyota's really spread out this open concept feel to the entire lineup, really, essentially. So they've done this extra window space here as well. And what I like about the C-HR is, I'm not sure you can catch it on the camera, but we will be showing you guys a little bit more in depth. But on the roof, you get this nice kind of like design. It's a diamond design on the roof engraved, which is really different. It's unique. But I also like the sporty seats that it has. It has these nice bucket seats that make you feel nice and safe, nice and comfortable during a nice long ride. In terms of like space, I've got a lot of headroom here, and I'm a 5'9". In terms of like, you know, leg room as well, this is actually pretty comfortable. Like I said, I'm 5'9", and I don't feel like I'm in a Yaris or something like that, so it's pretty good. In terms of like the interior gauges, as you can see, it's more of your traditional dual clusters, which are nice. If it's for those, it's mainly for those people that really like the more traditional look, and I think that's kind of what they're aiming at. And I do like that, what they've done here. And you obviously get the new big display here as well. You got dual climate control, heated seats. You got a nice cup holder here as well. You have brake hold for those of you that like brake hold. I know there's a large community of people that like brake hold. You have electronic e-brake, which is nice as well. So every time you put it into park, the e-brake actually goes up automatically. And when you put it into drive, the e-brake automatically releases, which is nice and handy as well, because no more, gone are those days of having to do it yourself. And trust me, I've been in that situation where you know, I was at work and my car just hit a post, and then they were wondering whose car it was, and unfortunately it was mine. So you know, it's nice that they've really upped their game in terms of security. So there's a lot of nice security safety features in these vehicles nowadays. Obviously it's well equipped with lane assist, pre-collision sensors, adaptive cruise control, automatic headlights, and backup camera, standard on all models of the C-HR for this year, 2019. You also have your Bluetooth controls here, your volume rockers, everything on the steering wheel, which is a standard. This one's an XLE, so think of this one as the mid-trim level, which is nice. So yeah, I'll show you guys a little bit more around the vehicle, and let's get going. Taking a look at the C-HR, you've got yourself a very unique crossover. Toyota really focused on building the C-HR for people that were looking for something a little bit bigger than the Corolla and not as big as the RAV4. Toyota really did a good job in terms of design of this vehicle. You can see it's very different. The back end's very unique, very stylish, sporty lines. This package you see right here is an XLE C-HR. Comes equipped standard with these 18-inch aluminum alloys, which are really nice. You got these nice back tail lights, which look really different. Very eye-catching, and you got a really good size trunk as well. Moving over to the sides, you can see that it's very high off the ground in comparison to other vehicles that we have in our lineup. It's definitely higher. So you can see this door handle is at the top, which is very different as well. They've created this different side of the vehicle, side profile of the vehicle, which is, it's for those people that really want something Nice, different, unique. You can see the interior as well is very, very different, very unique. You can see the design as well, which is really nice. Nice diamond design on the ceiling of the vehicle. Got your LED lights as well. You got your puddle lights under as well, which light the bottom. You lock and unlock your vehicle. You got standard LED lights on the front. You also got your projectors, your proximity sensor for all your lane assist, pre-collision sensors, pedestrian detection, backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, built-in navigation, and lots more. If you're in the market for a new 2019 or 2020 C-HR, feel free to reach out here at Forbes Waterloo Toyota. We'd be more than happy to help you guys out. My name is Pedro, and yeah,